Okay, we're back for our last example. Now, this one you might want your calculator for because we have some big numbers. Here it is. 2,000 tickets were sold in an exhibition on Saturday. The cost of a ticket for an adult is $4 and for a child is $2. The total amount collected on Saturday was $6,400. Find the number of adult tickets and child tickets sold on Saturday. Okay, so first thing we do is identify the unknowns, which seems to generally lie in the last sentence. Find the number of adult tickets and child tickets. Okay, so we want to know how many tickets were sold on Saturday, but how many adult and how many children. Okay, so let's assign some variables. I think A and C should work for this one just like it worked for the last one, although they don't represent the same thing. A equals the number of adult tickets. I'm going to write ticks. That's cool. C equals the number of child tickets. Okay, time to write our two equations. So let's find some information. I'm going to start reading the problem again. 2,000 tickets were sold in an exhibition on Saturday. That's a big piece of information. 2,000 tickets were sold. That's the total number. You know, some of those were adult, some of those were child tickets. So that means if I add the number of adult plus the number of child tickets, I should get 2,000. Here comes my first equation. A plus C equals 2,000. The number of adult tickets plus the number of child tickets equals 2,000. The cost of a ticket for an adult is $4 and for a child is $2. The total amount collected on Saturday was $6,400. Okay, so we know the cost and then we know the total collected. If we remember in our problem just above here, we had to take the number of tickets purchased times the cost to get how much was collected. So we're going to do the same thing here. So for adult tickets, they're $4 times however many were sold, plus child's tickets are $2 times the number sold, and that should equal 6,400. There's our system. Now this system would easily be solved using elimination or substitution because the first equation can be multiplied very easily to be either the opposite. The A could be negative 4A, so then it would cancel out with the positive 4A, or the C could be negative 2C to cancel out with the positive 2C. In addition, the first equation is really easy to solve for either A or C. I think I'm going to do elimination and eliminate C. So I'm going to multiply this first equation times negative 2. So that gives me negative 2A minus 2C equals negative 4,000. So when I add these together, of course my C's cancel, but 4A minus 2A is 2A. 6,400 minus 4,000 is 2,400. Divide by 2, A equals 1,200. Now that I know A equals 1,200, I can plug it into one of the equations in the beginning. I'm just going to plug it into equation 1 because A plus C is pretty simple. So 1,200 plus C equals 2,000. Subtract 1,200. Looks like C is going to be 800. All right, so let's write our answer as a complete sentence. Looks like there were 1,200 adult tickets sold and 800 child tickets sold. So I'm just going to write that. There were 1,200 adult and 800 child tickets sold on Saturday. And we're done, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great night.